How are you today? Today we have good topics that we want to share with all of you guys today. So everyone, can you guess what I'm going to talk about? Okay, today's topic is how to overcome yourself. Everyone, overcome yourself is that means you need to win yourself. Yeah, and how they maybe talk about the way how to. Okay, we gonna go to our topic is how to overcome yourself. I have two main points that I want to share with you today. Number one is change your thinking. Change your thinking is really important. I have example for you. Your mind, you don't want to do homework. So what you gonna do? Change your mind. Change your mind from your bad thinking to be a good thinking. Like you don't do homework, so I'm lazy. But so you need to change your mind and do your homework. So when you do your homework, it means you overcome yourself. It's not just only one doing homework. You can read a book, and okay, now it's just number one. And moving on to our topic, our main point is number two. Change your habits and your activity that you do every day. For instance, you need to get up early, or that means you have schedule. You have to go to school early. Yeah, if you go to school late, that means you don't overcome yourself. So what you gonna do, everyone? Just get up early and go to school. When you go to school, that means you overcome yourself. And when you go to school, you listen to your teacher. That means you change your bad habit to be a good habit. Everyone, do you want to know what is your good habit? Always ask yourself. I don't know what is your habit, but I know what is my bad habit and what is my good habit. So the habit that we call bad habit, that means you do something not good, and good habit, that means you go to school every day and study hard, pay attention with your study. All of this activity we call overcome yourself. So now I hope you guys understand about this. So thank you for your watching today's video isn't too long, but I think everyone can get it today. So see you in the video, guys. Bye bye.